Hey everyone, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who participated in the poll on Saturday. Today I will be making Thai green curry with chicken. Now, Thai curry is the combination of two previously existing dishes. The first one is a Thai dish known as kang, and it was described as a watery dish served with rice, consisting of shrimp paste, garlic, chilies, and either onion or shallots. Coconut milk was added to the dish later on, as it was to curry as well, with the exception of northern Thailand due to its colder climates. Now, its other place of origin is Indian curries. It involves using a lot of the same spices, however, they balance out some of that heat with some fresh herbs, such as lemongrass, ginger, and Thai basil. Alright, let's make some curry. Okay, so we're going to start out by heating up a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm going to be sweating out 6 tablespoons of green curry paste. And we're going to let it get nice and aromatic before moving on to our next step. Next, I'm going to be adding some diced up onions and peppers. Next, I'll be adding about half of my coconut milk. Starting to boil now, so next I'm going to be adding some cut up chicken thighs. Next, I'll be adding the Thai eggplant. Next, I'll be adding some Thai basil leaves. A couple tablespoons of cane sugar. Three tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, I'm going to be adding half a cup of bamboo. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding the rest of my coconut milk. I'm going to do something here that's kind of optional. Here I've blended up some Thai basil leaves with some coconut milk, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this to the wok. And I'm looking to get a little brighter of a green color. So if you're looking for a nicer green color on your curry, this is an easy way of doing that. So I'm going to bring this back up to a boil. Thanks for watching.